can, for example, the license of driving license of for the vehicle, or say the smart card which has been issued for the vehicle registration by RTO, or the unique identification card given to the citizen of the country, are having these small chip is been divided into 8 sections, and these are called ISO, ESO contact, and this has been used with a reader. So these are contact card, and when this chip is been connected with a wireless antenna, hence it can transfer the data without the contact. It's called a contactless card. So as you have seen, smart cards may be contact based or contactless. So contact cards have to be inserted into a reader and a physical electrical contact made, and this may be chosen for different types of security reasons. For example, a chip, or enter the PIN number for the access of these contact cards. The PIN is personal identification number, and this has been done for more providing more security purposes. Whereas contactless cards also maintain or contain an antenna with an IMF receiver or transporter, and this card can be waved into the immediate vicinity of a reader or a base station in order to interact. So for example, a smart travel card designed to be contactless reduces the time to gain authorization compared to the use of contact card. So you may be able to save a good amount of time. So smart operating system is we have discussed, but the primary task of smart card operating system on behalf of applications are transferring data to the smart card and from the smart card, and controlling the execution of different commands, and managing the files, and managing and executing cryptographic algorithms for security, and to protect the data which is being stored in the device, and managing and executing the program code. So we have seen different layers and how power management and memory management has been done in smart card operating system or smart mobile operating system. So SIM card is a subscriber identity module. It's been each user has a unique identification number for security reasons, and this has been used in the GSM mobile phones to authorize subscriber access to cellular phone, and SIM card securely identify the subscriber, and it also allows users to change phone by swapping SIM cards. So I can change my mobile phones by having retaining the same subscriber identity. So first SIM card was made in 1991, and later miniature version were designed. The first SIM card was almost the credit card sized SIM card which was made, and now it is very smaller in size. So smart card operating system, we have seen there are smart card is about security and providing more security to the user. So it has got CPU, and it has got crypto control unit and crypto engine which encrypts the data. So even though the data which is being swiped and stored in a database are encrypted for better security. As memory is going to be a key concern when designing an operating system for a smart card, and as the memory is based on ROM, so you have a unit of ROM and EEPROM, because you need to change the content of a data. But this 8 section of VCC, RST, CLK, RFU, RFU and ground and VPP is going to remain the same as we have discussed. So how the smart card application designs or in the system environment, what are the requirements? Because smart card application must be upgradable, because it should not be bounded to the type of hardware that we are using. The other concern is security, because smart card, once a card, say for example contact card, has been swiped, then all the data which is there in that smart card has been transferred to the application. So security is a major concern while designing the smart card application. So wherever more security is required, the contact card is being used, and if time is a constraint and depending on the requirement of an application, the selection of contact card or contactless card is been used. So when these contactless card is been used, the wireless radio frequency range is very important while designing the overall system, because of the operating range and data rate. So what are the different application requirements while designing a smart card? The primary task of a smart card operating system on behalf of an application is to transfer data to and from smart card, controlling the execution of commands that we have already seen, managing the files, managing and executing cryptographic algorithms, and managing and executing program code. And that is why you have each module in your smart card operating system for this. So there are smart card APIs called JavaCard, refers to a technology that allows small Java based application to be run securely on smart card and similarly small memory footprint devices. So JavaCard is a tiniest Java targeted for embedded devices, and it gives developers the ability to program the devices that makes them application specific, and it is widely used in GSM, mobile phones and ATM cards. And it provides a platform where a number of small application on top of the smart card and for smart card can be designed. So this Java card was introduced in the year of 1997. So Java card application are Java card bytecode run in Java card virtual environment and uses different encoding optimized for size, and Java card applet typically uses less bytecode than hypothetical Java applet contained by compiling the same Java source code. So, and that is the main reason the Java card applet is being used, because it conserves less memory. And the technique exists for overcoming the size limitation of 64 KB limit are there in Java card applet. And this Java card virtual machine runs in many smart card, even when GSM, phone or SIM card or in many different environment this Java card virtual machine can run. So there are 4 steps comprise of Java card applet development. First they specify the functions of applet, for example the security function requirement of a user, whether to enter a PIN number or card locks after 3 successful attempts to enter the PIN. Similarly, as we have it in our bank ATM card, if a PIN number is not entered correct 3 times, then it will block the card. So second is request and assign AIDs to both the applet and package containing the applet class. Decide the class structure of applet programs, and fourth is define the interface between the applet and the terminal applications. So you can have more details about Java card development kit on these web link. So device network, what are the objective of a device network is to enable wide variety of devices to interoperate, and the applications that we use in this device network environment is home automation. Say for example of all the lights and fans and all the electrical devices of our home are interconnected, and we are controlling it from a single console or a single remote, then it is called a device network. So other applications are person-aware systems, home security, care in the community, pervasive audio-video content access, and many more are there. So how device discovery happens in the device network? If the device networks are to support, say, open, dynamic, heterogeneous device access and interoperability, automatic discovery of the device is very necessary and very simple to use, and it must support the automatic discovery of the devices in the device network. So the device service discovery, there are different types of service discovery available depending on what type of environment you are working in and what type of application has been used. There are Genie, UPnP, then IETF, SLP, domain name service discovery, Bluetooth, SDP, and device service and execution management, that is again used with OSGi. So Open Service Gateway Initiative, we'll discuss all these device discovery later in the other units. So device management has been done using Open Service Gateway Initiative, and OSGi promotes open specification for the delivery of managed services into networked environments such as homes and automobiles. So initial market of OSGi was home services gateways, for example in video broadcast set-top box or broadband modems, and these then act as a gateway between the end user and the device on a LAN, and the service providers that could be accessible over the internet who want to provide these services. So the core OSGi platform specification OSGi in turn uses underlying Java virtual machine and operating system services, and these application services are encapsulated and deployed in the bundle. And event-driven management mechanisms are there in place to support installation, activation, deactivation, update, and removal of these bundle. So we have discussed today smart mobile device characteristics, smart mobile device code and service design principles, and mobile service design, the different mobile services, mobile device operating systems, smart card devices, and device network. So with these we end this session. Thank you.